We are coming up against the opening bell on Wall Street, but let's take a look at some trending tickers on the Yahoo Finance platform. Let's start with Nordstrom. Shares slumping after the retailer posted better than expected third quarter earnings, but slashed its profit outlook ahead of Black Friday. Nordstrom shares always seem to be very volatile after earnings. It's been a couple challenging quarters for this company. Sales under pressure in the rack business, the namesake Nordstrom business. Inventory increased very slightly. If anything, that was a positive here. But really, I would say, troubling earnings call for them. It doesn't look like November has gotten off to a good start for Nordstrom, despite their higher end focus. That fits really in line with what we heard a lot of other retailers. So far, the holiday season has started off weak. Also saw the Adobe online sales data we just got about a half hour ago. Sales barely up so far in November to month date.
Well, and Nordstrom, like everybody else, is putting everything on sale. Yes, and right. So that's part of the issue here. I mean, their inventory looked relatively healthy because it was like, a fire sale, right? They were marking things down to move them out the door. I have to admit, I was just looking at a pair of boots at Nordstrom, and one of the colors is on sale, but two of the colors
Those boots I didn't like, they were at Nordstrom?
Yes, the boots you didn't like were at Nordstrom.
All right.
So there you go. I made the mistake of asking Brian Saucy.
Did you buy them, though?
Not yet.
Listen, you don't, please.
Well, speaking to some of that inventory, they did see net sales decrease by about 3%, and it really was coming back to their anniversary sale, and that shifted into the second quarter. Also, their digital sales, that represented about 34% of total sales during the quarter, but here's an interesting thing. That digital sales number, it actually declined 16% this quarter, so some weakness on the digital front. You've also got weakness at Nordstrom Rack right now, where they've got more of kind of that approach for those 90 brands, so the 90% of the top brands, that waning in purchases among the lower income consumer that they deal with too.